The Southern African Development Community SADC is once again avoided taking decisive action on a deepening political crisis in this time in Mozambique. Sanabana mashoko anokuwa kuti aiwa the SADC block zvakanga yakagara munyika yeZimbabwe, the SADC troika inonegleta kuisa is resolution inofavor ama citizens emunyika yeMozambique. Sanabana mashoko amudani kopana upload subscribe or like or turn the bell like tipina pana panyora chiti at its summit in Harare. The regional bloc extended condolences for lives lost in Mozambique's post-election violence, but failed to address the contested election results at the heart of the unrest. Announcing the summit resolutions on Wednesday, SADC Executive Secretary Elias Magosi revealed that the bloc prioritized the ongoing instability in the Democratic Republic of Congo DRC over Mozambique's spiraling crisis. Summit condemns the violations of the ceasefire agreement established last August and calls for immediate adherence to peace agreements, Magosi said. Adding, we acknowledge and appreciate President Tshisekedi's gratitude for SADC's continued support in addressing these challenges. Regarding Mozambique, Magosi offered only brief sympathy. Tomoshkona talk upon wakumana when the Zim Iowa Tomoshkut Iowa wakumana with the SADC block. Iowa one Kunze Elias Magosi vanogeva kumwa condolences kune vanhu aiwa vakafa kana vakaurayiwa pa the unrest iri kuitika nekwezo iri kuitika Mozambique, but vafaila kupa a resolution kuti vaone kuti problem iri kunzirisa izvozvo chii and what solution can be put in place. Mashoko anoitika atona kuti aiwa ma-citizens aiwa ese anema leaders ari mu the SADC block, they are condemning the SADC vachiti aiwa it is no illegitimate. Avakomana avo vari ngoripo aiwa kungofulfilla kana ngofila ma-seats, but when it comes to execution vanongoda kuramba vari clinged on to power. Tudze mafikiro emu tudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi pinango message medu. Subscribe or like, put on the bell icon.